Are you trying to generate more leads, actually more qualified leads for your sales team? Then hey, that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video right here. Generating more leads for your business has become increasingly more difficult the further we journey down this digital landscape. However, if you look at the principles of supply and demand, you'll notice that when supply is limited, demand goes up, and sometimes it goes way up. I mean, let's be honest, we've all seen things like toilet paper, Barbie dolls, and the PS5 have outrageous price points on eBay because of supply and demand. I mean, there's almost something primordial triggered in us humans when it comes to scarcity or even the perception of said scarcity. You see, scarcity has a psychological influence on us, making us want something even more if there isn't enough to go around. Scarcity is great because it creates a fear shortage and thus a sense of urgency. And that urgency is a very important word for your lead gen. You see, scarcity and a sense of urgency, when used in a good, value-based way, can be amazing for generating more leads for your business. And of course, we want to add value here, so here are 3 ways that you can use scarcity in your company's lead gen strategy today, like right now, like immediately. Number 1, limited time offers. Limited time offers are among the most popular in the scarcity category. I mean, just think about your average car dealership commercial. Practically every commercial is a limited time deal. Get XYZ percentage financing before it's gone. Also, a ton of digital courses also leverage this by having opened and closed registration dates for their courses. It's something like act now or you won't be able to get into this next course opening, and we're not sure when the next course opening will be. Really? I mean, maybe. So you have to stop and ask yourself and your team, what do we have or could we create with a limited time trigger? Now, another way to add scarcity into your business strategy is with limited quantity offers. You see, when something is of limited quantity, it suddenly becomes more unique or exclusive. In some studies, limited quantity or supply offers have outperformed limited time offers. Why the heck is this true? Simply put, because it's hard to tell when an offer of limited quantity will suddenly become unavailable, while a time-based offer has a known end time. You see, limited quality offers are great for not only getting people to say yes to your offer, but to avoid procrastination completely. And we hate when those people procrastinate, especially with our lead gen. But let's dive back into those digital course examples for a second. You read this, only 20 seats left for this year's last course opening. Your brain goes, oh no, will I make it in time? Maybe, where's my credit card? And now you have to ask yourself, does everyone think they can always get what you provide? And is there plenty of it to go around? That thinking could be dramatically eroding to your lead generation efforts as you move forward. So what else can you do to generate more leads and in turn more revenue for the bottom line of your business? Well, keep watching. We're about to talk about it. How about limited time and limited quantity in perfect harmony? To be honest, Groupon is the perfect example of using both tactics. And yes, Groupon is still a thing. Believe it or not, I saw Bone Thugs and Harmony tickets on Groupon just a while back. Mind blown. Anyway, I digress. You see, all Groupon deals end with a certain time frame and they have a limited number of people who can buy a Groupon. That's a powerful combination. The site also packages these scarcity tactics with discounting, which is another great value add, especially if you're an e-commerce business. So, do you choose a scarcity strategy or do you choose a quantity strategy? Or maybe you choose them both for a 1-2 knockout punch when it comes to your lead generation efforts. Either way, with these 2 power pack strategies, you can help your company's lead generation efforts in the future. Want to learn more tips on how to generate more leads for your company? Then check out the link in the description below. We look forward to bringing you more sales, marketing, and HubSpot education in the future. And remember to focus on being a happy, helpful, humble human. And we'll see you in the next video.